Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into ETL and IBM DataStage. Sounds fancy, but don't worry, I promise to make it simple. First, we'll touch on what ETL is all about. Then we'll break down its process. Yes, it has a logic. Next, we peek into the architecture of IBM DataStage, like the blueprint of a digital wizard's lair. Finally, we'll explore the components and stages that make the magic happen. Buckle up. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. All right, let's start at square one, ETL, which stands for Extract, Transform, Load. It's basically the process of moving data from point A to point B, but smarter. ETL makes sure data gets cleaned, sorted, and polished like a gem before reaching its final destination. IBM DataStage. That's the powerhouse that makes it all happen with some cool automation. Think of it as your data's personal assistant. ETL is like making a smoothie. First, we grab ingredients, data, blend them together for a delicious mix transformation, and pour the final drink into the glass, loading. Extraction ensures we pull data from multiple sources, transformation refines it, and loading puts it where it belongs. Oh, and we need error handling, because nobody wants a data smoothie with banana peels. IBM DataStage's architecture is all about speed and efficiency. It runs on a client-server model, which basically means teamwork between different systems. A parallel processing, that's like dividing up work across multiple brains. It's genius. Plus, its metadata-driven design helps with reusability. And of course, it integrates seamlessly with other databases, making it the life of the data party. Has ever faced an error and thought, why me? Well, debugging is like detective work, except the culprit is your own code. Knowing common errors in DataStage can save hours of frustration. Logs and monitoring tools. Think of them as your crime scene investigation kit. Efficient debugging means finding the problem fast. Because let's be honest, nobody likes staring at error messages all day. And if your error handling is solid, you'll look like a superhero to your team. Performance optimization is the difference between a DataStage job running smoothly or making you question your life choices. Efficient job design ensures your processes don't turn into a bottleneck. A partitioning and parallel processing. They're like traffic management, keeping data flowing instead of causing a jam. Less resource consumption means fewer angry emails from IT. And tuning settings. That's like fine-tuning a race car for peak performance. Real-time integration is like live TV. There's no room for errors. You need to process data on the fly while ensuring everything stays in sync. Configuring DataStage for real-time jobs means making sure data flows like a perfectly choreographed dance. Smooth data movement prevents chaos, and handling exceptions swiftly ensures nothing crashes while you're watching. Think of this as being the director of a high-speed action film, but with data. Good ETL development is like cooking a great meal. You need the right ingredients, preparation, and execution. A structured design principles set the foundation. Data quality checks ensure you don't serve up bad data. Efficient job scheduling. That's making sure everything runs on time like a well-orchestrated symphony. And documentation. That's your recipe book, so you don't have to guess how you did it last time. Learning from case studies is like watching someone else struggle so you don't have to. Successful ETL projects offer valuable insights. Real-world challenges teach you what not to do. Innovative solutions push boundaries, because who doesn't love a clever workaround? Applying these lessons can help you build smarter ETL processes without reinventing the wheel. ETL is evolving, just like fashion trends, but hopefully with fewer questionable choices. Emerging technologies are changing the game. Cloud-based solutions mean you're not tied to traditional infrastructure. With AI and automations, that's the magic wand making ETL faster and smarter. And staying ahead means keeping an eye on innovations, so you're not stuck using outdated methods while everyone else moves forward. So here we are, the finish line. We covered the key principles of ETL, tackled optimization strategies, and peeked into the future. Implementation is where theory meets reality. Keep learning because technology won't wait for anyone. And continuous improvement. Well, that's the difference between being good and being great. The journey doesn't end here, so let's keep leveling up. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.